Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add voiceover to your Canva presentation. So first open Canva and select your presentation design. Now click on the explode section and here you will see the record yourself option. Once you click on that, here you will see the first option of record voiceover. By click on this, you will see a red button will appear at the center of your screen. Tap on it to start it and your voices start recording. Once you're done with this, click on the finish button to stop it, and after that you just have to go on uploads and go to the audio tab. Now here you will find your voice over. You just have to drag it and drop onto the timeline. Adjust according to your presentation, and after that click on the play button to preview it. If you find everything's perfect, then go and click on the share button and download it so you can share it anywhere. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.